Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the market update for Thursday, November 18, 2021. Another wild week on the market as we're heading to tomorrow at the option expiration date. So the market is a little bit choppy in the last couple of days, but then they'll be able to find the support and punt to the upside. So the overall the trend is the short term is still bullish and the long term is still bullish. So we'll continue to follow the trend and stay with the trend until it bends. Okay, so right now if you look at the Nasdaq, it's also very strong. Okay, they also make it a new high today and then continue to put it up to the upside. As you can see that the 10-year Treasury note, they hit into the resistance and then they fell it up. So they help a lot of stock in the technology be able to push it up and continue to the upside. So if you look at the Dow Jones, it still have some trouble, but they are a little bit far behind. They are still not back at all-time high yet, but tomorrow let's see they'll be able to punch through the Dow trend line here and continue to put it up to the upside, try to catch up with the Nasdaq and the ES. The Russell 2000, the last couple of days, they pull back down to retest where they break out before. If tomorrow they'll be able to hold up at this level, the Russell 2000 will find a way to put it up again to catch up. So two in the market all-time high, which is the ES and the SP5 and the Nasdaq, but the Dow and the Russell 2000 is still far behind. So they try to run a catch up and looking forward to put it up to the upside also. So we are heading to the final week of November holiday, Thanksgiving holiday, which is a very bullish for the market. Let's see the market to be able to keep that momentum and continue to push it to the upside to celebrate and make a strong month for the November. All right, so if you look at the crude oil at the last couple of days, they are still choppy in the sideways correction. So they try to find some support here. If they can find a support, they will continue to put it up again. The gold is also try to put it back up to the upside as the Bitcoin is under correction. So the gold is still the favorite one for the hedging. So they are to put it up, and this is the strong resistance area that we have to watch if they get into that area. If you look at the Bitcoin after they run up, so now they pull back. So we're looking for a support in this area here before they can turn around. Same thing like Ethereum, they have strong support in that area here also. Okay, so right now if you look at the volatility index, as we headed into the Friday that the option expires, so the volatility also go up, but the market it also go up. So that will be the wild rand for the market move up and move down. Like today in the morning they push it down and then they run back up and make it the all-time high again. So if you look at the last week on the weekend, I also show you the retail sector, which is one of the sector is very strong. They put it back up and you can see that some stock there still doing well, like Home Depot, Costco, another one that's like ETSY. Okay, so those stocks still continue to push it on to the upside. And another the other sector still goes sideways, choppy, like material. They after they run up, so now they pull back down. Communication, it still consumer communication service, it still put it down to the downside again. The energy, it also put it down at the oil price drop. The financial, and they also try to come back and retest where they work out there. The industrial, they are mixed and match. They go up, they pull back down, but some stock still hold tight into that area there. The technology is very strong. As you can see that on the weekend on the market forecast, I make the video for you talk about a metaverse, so which is the future of the internet technology. And you can look at a lot of stock they are doing extremely well, okay, like Microsoft, right? As you can see here, it's still a very strong stock. Okay, Amazon, this is another one, right? And you can see like BLX, okay, right there, still pretty strong. And Unity Software, it also doing awesome work there in the last whole week here. And then in terms of semiconductor, which is the chip technology that support the metaverse, they're also doing very well, like NVDA, right? You can see there, AMD, right? Applied Material, for example, or Taiwan Semiconductor, they are still very strong there. Okay, so right now, if you look at another sector that they try to make a turn right now that you need to watch out, which is the consumer discretionary. They try to gain momentum after the final support. The last 3 days, they try to put it back to the upside. So you will see some stock in this sector that you should pay attention. Like, let me give you a couple of symbols so that you can watch out and monitor and put in your watch list. Okay, that's the BKE, the buckle in. So this stock, they be able to break out the previous high here and continue to shoot it up to the upside. Let me see, TYLS, okay, TLYS. This is another one that the Tilly in, TLYS. Okay, this one here, they are ready to break out and find a way to push it back up. URBN, okay, URBN, which is the Urban Outfitters. They are also trying to find a way to put it up also. And another one is like ZUMZ, that is Zoomies. So when the students come back to school here, so they need a lot of uniforms. So this one is continue rumble to put it to the upside. Okay, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so 5 symbol there that you can tick there, and then they will continue to rumble to the upside. And the XLY is also losing some momentum, but they are able to not XLY, and then but a lot of real estate sector is still sideways. They still hold tight here in order for them to go higher. They need to break the upper resistance line there. The healthcare is still hang tight to the upside, and a lot of stock here they try to looking for the support, and if this one they can clear this resistance here, they will continue put it up to the upside. Okay, so the energy sector is still kind of choppy around here, but some stock there still doing well, like NEE that will show you here. They try to find a way to clear this resistance there. Okay, so I think that overall the market is still very bullish. So all the indexes, they try to find a way to put it up higher. So we will continue to stick with the uptrend, and then let's see if the market will finish the month of October with the high note here. Okay, so that they can celebrate the Thanksgiving. All right, so I think that that's all I have for you this week. And if you busy working, you can check and sign up with our premium watchlist. In there, we will analyze stock daily and looking for the opportunity so that we can give you the entry and the target so that you can follow. Okay, so thank you for watching, and good luck in your trading. I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.